Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a unboxing with Witch Boss TV. I ordered a kit from her, and this was specially made. And her name is Mina on here on YouTube. Hope you check her out. So, I'm covering up her address because I don't know if she wants me to put that out there. And I got my Chihuahua baby here. And my husband's here too, but he's not in the camera. We're excited to open this up. So I'm going to go ahead and try to open this without revealing any information on the box. You could just watch her while I open this. Okay. And beautiful lavender and purple. Very good bubble wrap. Okay, so I got a scroll, a call to the Great Mother. And it's got a pink ribbon on it. Let me open it up. And this has got some information on it. Everything that's in there. And some preparation instructions. As soon as I opened this, I felt like it was a subscription box. Like I could order this again. Especially around the Sabbats. And there's more on the back. And it says love. And lots of love, magician, Mina. Okay, so I'm going to dig right in, kind of see what was going to be in here. Bubble wrapped really well. Got another piece of paper with, I see these so much at work. So many paper clips. And just some parchment papers that I could use for spell work later. And this is another white sage. And I love white sage. Could always use more of that. And this looks like a baby cauldron if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. She's waiting patiently. She loves these kind of goodies. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Aww. What do you think of it? You like it? Alright, and then I got some more goodies down here. This looks like a little thing of oil. This is anointing oil for self candles, consecrating, and magical tools. I'm gonna try to look. She's getting sassy. She's trying to.
She wants a bone.
Yeah, she wants a bone, but she also wants to see what's in here too, and she'll sniff it all when it's out. Oh, that smells really good. It's like really mysterious energies in this. I love it. And then there is magical satchel bag. Herbs and crystals. That's pretty cool. I like how she really devoted so much time into individually packing these, making labels, giving instructions. Wow, it's really pretty. I love the goddess symbol with the star and the moonstone. Oh, that smells so familiar. I cannot describe it, but it smells really, really familiar, like I could almost time travel, if that makes sense. And then this is Incent Herbal. It smells like a little bit of peppermint and spearmint, possibly. Oh, I've always wanted to try this. This is really pretty. Incent sand for my cauldron. That's pretty pink. I really love that. And then this looks like 2 charcoal discs, which I could always use more of those. And then here is bath salts. Looks like bath salts. Wow, that's a big jar. I really like that. See, I love how she puts instructions and ingredients and things in there. Little prayers. And look at how it's another, it kind of reminds me of like a shaman practice that I've done before, where I've been in the transition of going into different realms. And so it kind of reminds me of that, connecting with the goddess through the middle and the lower world. And then this is Goddess and God candles. And I think this is going to go in my sacred bedroom. I like to kind of hoard things in my bedroom with where me and my husband are. But I think this one's going to be my sacred altar in my other room, that I can go and really do practice and research and meditate, come up with a routine. These are really nice candles, and it's perfect because I do have larger candle holders for these exact candles, and I haven't had these large of candles in a while, so I've been using the little chime candles, so that's going to be good. And some matches, always could use that. And my candle. See how it's filled with love, you can tell, and care. And again, it's wrapped in tissue paper and bubble wrap. Oh wow, I've been seeing these, and I've always wanted to try these, so it's interesting that she picked this one out. It's like a self-love goddess candle, and I really need to work on that, so that is absolutely perfect. Thank you so much, Mina, and I hope that you guys check her out. I will leave everything down below for her information so you can contact her, and I hope that you like, share, subscribe, and comment, and also go to subscribe to her. She has a great channel. She's a wonderful person. I've got readings from her, spot on, and this is exactly what I needed. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Blessed be.